Hey you guys, what's up? Priya here. I am so excited to be filming this video. I am going to be doing the rice water trend. So that's using fermented rice water and applying it to your hair after you've showered. This is kind of like an ancient tradition from the Yao women of Asia. So let's try it and see what kind of results we yield. I think it's gonna be really cool to see it before and after. So let me show you the before, let me see what we're working with. This is definitely day 4 hair. There is dry shampoo in here, there's some hairspray, there's lots of stuff. You can tell like it's like not sitting right. I can put it somewhere and just kind of like flatten it and it feels flat and like gross. So I definitely want to give my hair a new lease of life. I definitely want to show you guys how I made the fermented rice water. So let's get started and get right into it. So the rice has been sitting in the water for the last, I would say about an hour. I was only going to leave it for 30 minutes, so it's nice. I mean, the longer you let it sit, the better results you're going to have. The Yao women actually let the water sit for 7 days, about a week. But here we have some fermented water. You can see it's changed in color. And I'm also going to add in all the water. So you can choose how much you want to use, but I'm going to take all of it. So let's take this and give it a go. The first step is going to be the Super Hydrating Shampoo from Coco and Eve. I'm going to apply this just to my roots, really cleanse them, wash that out briefly, and then go in with a rice water dip. So I'm just going to apply that everywhere from root to tip. If it rhymes, it must be true. But I will leave that in for at least 15-20 minutes where I, do everything else I need to while that sits in my hair. And apparently rice water is super good because it has amino acids, it has antioxidants, it's great for preventing breakage and improving your hair's elasticity, but it also helps with a dry scalp and with dandruff, which is something that I totally suffer with. You can even see like I have tiny little flakes if I get too close to camera, which is quite embarrassing. But I have curly hair, curly wavy dry hair, and so my scalp is always so dry. So hopefully this will be really helpful. And then for the last step, I'm gonna go in with the Super Hydrating Cream Conditioner from Coco and Eve and really seal in those nutrients. What I also like is that it's not just a one-time use. You can get plenty of uses from these 2 bottles, and they're just so cute. I love the color. So I'm gonna pop these all in the shower and get started. Let's hop in. I'm going to put a hair turban in my hair to really just take out any moisture, and so it's ready to blow dry. So what I like to do is I like to flip my head upside down, and I put on the turban with the big side at the back, and then I basically just twist the front like this, so I really bring out any extra moisture or water that's in my hair, and then bring it back. And there's a little hook and a tab right here, so you basically just put it through the button. And there you go, you're secure. You can go have your morning coffee, you can get ready for the day, and your hair is out of the way and it's doing its thing. Okay, I'm back. I dried my hair and basically just ran an air wrap through my hair to give myself some nice loose waves and just a nice bounce. So let me tell you that my hair feels so nice, so clean, and so voluminous. I feel like I have like salon treated hair. Especially my scalp. My scalp is normally so dry, but it's super hydrated, super nourished and clean. And I think that's a combination of the shampoo itself and the conditioner, but also with the rice water combination. I think all of that together has made my hair look so healthy. And even like the shine, I have like minimal product in it. I've only put a hair oil because I really wanted to see the results, and I think the results are phenomenal. So definitely let me know what you think. I will definitely be doing this routine maybe twice a month, once a month for sure. Are you gonna give it a go? Definitely let me know, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye.